Okay, welcome back. So today I'll be going over Speech Synthesizer. So Speech Synthesizer can be accessed from your file browser down here under Speech. You can drag in any of these. I'll just do London. And you've got this weird dialog box here. So we can type in whatever we want. So I'll type in my tag, so what was that? And I'll play it now.
Say what was that?
So that's obviously very wrong. So you gotta mess with these words to get them right. And not liking this voice, so I can change that here. And then change the style to monotone, natural, sing. And the mode. So I'll try and get something a bit more natural sounding. So I've got it set to this. Change the word to CY, sigh. Then change the personality to tipsy, style monotone, mode normal, then change the word rate and pitch it around, and I've got this.
Say what was that?
Of course, it's not going to be great because it is a synthesizer, but I'm pretty happy with that, I guess. Like, if you don't have a microphone or whatever, you can use this for something. Maybe it'll probably work better with one-word tags, but you can add like reverb and stuff to it. Now if you're done with it and you want to save it like that, you can just hit accept here and it'll load down there. But thanks for watching, that's about it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.